So Luxie's been amazing. We love Luxie, but I was just had an opportunity arrive that I just couldn't say no to. It's been my dream car for a long time. I'm beyond excited to reveal the new project that we're going to be building and keeping for the longest time. It's just something I've always wanted. I'm going to introduce you to the 2020 Landcruiser 79 series single cab that I am just so stoked. So let me give you a quick walk through it. So yeah, it's only 2 years old. It's got 35,000 Ks. It's pretty stock out of the factory. There's not too much has been done to it. Obviously it's got an alloy Bullbar, set of spotties. It's got a two-way in it. It's got the factory snorkel, everything in the engine's factory rims, factory suspension. So everything's factory in the front half. We'll go inside in a minute. This it's a steel tray. I believe it's 2400 long, single cab, and it's got a custom canopy built. Now this canopy is pretty special. Inside here is there is a 12-volt system in it. It's running a Redarc DC to DC. It's got a few SIGI outlets here. It's got some lights in it. It does come with a nice drawer, nice big deep drawer that's half width of the canopy, and then just this cavern of a canopy that we will fill up with whatever in it. Right, inside, this is a practical car. It's got just the nuts and bolts, dual diff lock, a cup holder, and a cigarette lighter, and that's kind of it. That's all we get. There is an aftermarket two-way in here and a reversing camera. That's it from factory. We are going to be building this up. I'd love you to comment what you reckon we should do, what the first mods we should do to this car are. In the meantime, join us on the journey. We are going to be building this up into a track and touring weapon. So don't forget to subscribe, shoot us a like, ring that bell to get all the notifications on every new build episode that we bring out, and thanks again for watching. See you soon.